Hey guys, welcome to day 24 of the 30-day decluttering challenge. Day 24, I can't believe it. Today is supposed to be outdoor storage. It's pretty cold outside, so what I'm doing is I have brought in a bunch of outdoor storage bins actually, and I had my kids carry them up. So I've got quite a few outdoor storage bins pulled up here. I'm gonna show them to you. You can see them behind me. The boxes, not the cardboard boxes, the Rubbermaid bins. The cardboard boxes are trash. I throw them out here and then wait for other people to break them down for me. Anyway, so I'm gonna go through those boxes, and I don't like standing out here in the cold, so I'm gonna bring probably 2 of them in, set a timer for 15 minutes. They are outdoor storage bins and they are Christmas stuff. So are they the thing I need to declutter the most? No, but it's the most useful for what I'm doing right now, so I'm gonna go with it. So just choose any outdoor space that you have, whether it's a storage room outside or a garage or storage shed, maybe under your porch. Like we have a storage area that's under our porch. Maybe you don't have any outdoor storage, in which case use your indoor. But anyway, this is a great day to declutter that, but I am going to bring some of it inside because I don't want to be out here in the cold. All right, I've set my timer for 15 minutes. I'm gonna go through these Christmas bins here, and I'm gonna keep most of it probably because we didn't use a ton this year doesn't mean that we won't, hopefully we won't be so swamped next year. We always say that, but this year was extremely, this was a rough one. So anyway, like these, we didn't even get to use these. These take so many batteries. You have to have 2 batteries for each one of these. But I love the way they look in windows. These are good lights. Like, I'm not gonna get rid of these lights. I wish I had an empty bin to put things into, because I do like these things. These are good lights. Got a bunch of Target bags. More lights. Like, last year we put lights all over the tree in our yard, and this year, all we got is the lights across the house. We put them on the bushes, but then it was really cold and none of us ever bothered to go back out there and get them all plugged in, because that's going to take like putting together a whole system, and it's just, maybe it will still happen. I'd love to think so, but here's the thing. It's either me or nothing, because Alan hung the ones up high because he knows that I really want him to, but he hates for me to Christmas lights. So any Christmas lights that we get done, for the rest of it is going to depend on me, and I love Christmas lights, but I have no free time. Oh, this is my nice, I use this cover to cover my pillows. Anyway, this is I'm gonna time lapse this. Okay, well, I'm totally cheating doing this at Christmas time, because normally cleaning out your storage room is not all that much fun. I mean, I guess if you're in a spring place and you clean out spring boxes, it might be this much fun. Fall, and you clean out fall boxes. I don't know. But this was actually fun because I'm actually decorating my house for Christmas as I go. And yeah, I've thrown away a couple things. I found a couple ornaments to put on my tree. I found this Charlie Brown Christmas tree that Nana got me a couple Christmases ago, and I'm gonna move it downstairs and let the boys have it in their playroom. And yeah, so I just found a few things. I found Rosie's Christmas stocking. They love giving the dog a Christmas stocking. And of course I don't have a hook for it, so it's gonna go under the tree. And there's my timer. I have a really bad habit of this. Do you guys do this with Christmas decorations? Or flowers and, you know, when you take them back out, they look awful if you store them in a bin. Okay, I have to turn off that timer, it will dry. I actually think this is salvageable because they are bendy material, and these are really pretty. I have a vase full of this sort of thing, and I would probably add it to the vase. I found 2 good Christmas tins that I don't think have ever been used, that I bought last year and left for myself as a present in this bin. Appreciate that. Anyway, I got through 3 bins and had still a couple minutes left, so I was able to go outside and get a 4th bin because, like I said, these bins were pretty small and pretty easy. I'll show you some of the things I found in them. These are the 4 bins I've been going through. That is like almost all lights, and I just don't have any place to put seasonal frames or a lot of tchotchkes because I just don't have that many surfaces to put things. So those are just going to have to go back to the bin, and they're special enough, like that frame is special enough with 2 of my great friends that I love, that I'm going to keep it for next year, and hopefully next year will be different. That bin is almost empty. This one is almost empty, and this one is completely empty. So yay. And over here, I took the contents of one of those bins was 3 plates. So I just took down the other plates that were on there that matched my blue and white theme and hung 3 Santa themed plates. They're Norman Rockwell's. And I found this, I found him. Well, actually I didn't find him. He was already out. I just moved him. But I found Charlie Brown here and this little guy. And then I found a football Santa, which is perfect for John David. So I put that in here. And I found a couple other little things too, and I'm going to add those. And then I'm going to take these boxes and put them back in the storage building outside. I'll probably stack them and make the boys carry them out there for me, but that is the benefit of having teenage boys. And I got to put a couple of these things away. So I've still got a couple of things to run from room to room, but overall, I've been meaning to go through these bins for a while. I'm really glad that I got this done, and it actually got to be fun because it was Christmas stuff. You know. Anyway, so I hope you guys are having a good week, and I hope you have a great weekend, and Merry Christmas. Happy decluttering.